Let's talk about one of the economic application of unconstrained optimization here. How do we go about it? Suppose there is multi-product perfectly comparative firm. There are two products which this firm is trying to sell. One is X, another is Y, and the price of X and price of Y are 1 and 2 respectively. Say cost function is given to you as 2x square plus xy plus 2y square. Suppose if this is the cost function. So first of all, what we'll try to do is that we'll try to find out the total revenue function. Total revenue function is px into x, which is the revenue from x, plus py into y, which is the revenue from y, minus cxy, that is the cost. That is the profit, not the total revenue. I'm so sorry. So let me just delete this. Yeah. So this is the profit of the firm. This is the profit of the firm. And you want to find out the maximum profit. So let's plug in the values here. So 1 into x is x, plus 2 into y. In place of py, we'll just write 2 minus 2x square plus xy plus 2y square. Okay, so it is x plus 2y minus 2x square minus xy minus 2y square. Suppose you have this. This is the function which you have. So this function, as you could see, this is the function in x and y. So the first order conditions which will be defined, you will have to calculate two partial derivatives, one with respect to x and other with respect to y. So what is del pi by del x? 1 minus 4x minus y equal to 0. One is this. Another is del pi by del y, which will be equal to 2 minus x minus 4y equal to 0. So these are the two conditions which you have. One is 4x, I'm just writing this in a simplified form, 4x plus y equals to 1. Another is x plus 4y equals to 2. So these are the two equations which you have. So what you can do is that supposedly if you multiply the other equation, the second equation, by say minus 4, okay, so what will you have is, I'm writing it here, minus 4x minus 16y is equal to minus 8. You will have this. Just let's get, and then what you can do is that you can calculate it. What will you have is basically just adding these two equations, adding these two equations, you'll have minus 15y equals to minus 7, or y is equal to 7 by 15. And in case if y is equal to 7 by 15, you can calculate the value for x, which is from the first equation, say 4x plus 7 by 15 equals to 1. So which is 4x equals to 1 minus 7 by 15, which is 8 by 15. So x is equal to 8 by 15 into 1 upon 4, which is 2 by 15. So you have two values, which is one is x is equal to 2 by 15, and then you have y, which is equal to 7 by 15.